Hello folks, today we're doing a new construction inspection, and what I wanted to share with you, you can see what we have here is that they rebuilt this house and put brand new. Actually, this house was torn down but and caught a fire, but they tried to salvage the old garage. And this is one of the pitfalls of trying to salvage an old garage. And of course we see termites all over here that's gotten into here, so that's probably be part of the problem. But look at this right here. So this concrete floor is existing, which is great, cost a lot of money, but this is coming right over here and it's draining right back into here now. On the other side of this is my basement. And so this is when this concrete starts to shrink, the new foundation, they're going to separate, for the two joints are going to separate from each other, the foundation wall and the existing floor. And then you're going to have opening, and then you're going to have crack in it, which is going to have water, and then it's going to be a water problem. So actually, I think that they got a little bit of an issue by not thinking about what was happening ahead of time. Well, anyway, folks, I hope this has been educational, and I hope that when you do this, there's nothing wrong with adding a new, trying to use the old and the new together, try to save some money. That makes sense. But you got to think it all the way through, and this is just one of these issues that somebody didn't think all the way through. So anyway, have a great day. Share this video with your friends and folks, maybe they can learn something just like you have today. I appreciate it very much. Hit like and subscribe. We would really help us. Thanks, and have a great day.